Names of fruits: blackberry, snapdella, tamarind, apple, custard apple, wood apple, pineapple, rose apple, lime, sweet lime, orange, grapefruit, grapes, concord grapes, mango, banana, papaya, watermelon, muskmelon, strawberry, berry, cherry, pomegranate, guava, fig date, coconut, jackfruit, jujak, cashew nut, almond, damson. Names of colors: purple, orange, pink, red, scarlet, brown, white, blue, green, yellow, grey, black. Names of vegetables: bean, green bean, green chili, red chili, tomato, potato, sweet potato, radish, beet, spinach, arm, brinjal, ginger, onion, gourd, bitter gourd, snake gourd, ripped gourd, coriander, cucumber, cabbage, cauliflower, fenugreek, lady's finger, sorrel, amaranthus, pumpkin gourd, fenugreek cluster.
Start.
Names of birds: pivot, cock, peacock, hen, peahen, crow, cuckoo, sparrowcock, sparrow, dove, pigeon, duck, drake, kite, eagle, bat owl, starling, hummingbird, crane, ostrich, swan, woodpecker, kingfisher. Names of flowers: rose, lotus, hibiscus, jasmine, tuberose, oleander, night queen, champa, chamomile, pandanus, marigold, sunflower, dhotra, briar, periwinkle. Names of animals: horse, camel, rat, cat, dog, wolf, ox, fox, buffalo, elephant, pig, bear, deer, sheep. Names of general words: temple, mosque, church, sun, moon, star, sky, cloud, winds, air, rain, mountain, hill, waterfall, land, streams, river, sea, lake, earthquake, volcano, rocks, stone, sand, wild, farm.